Then if there's the wind like we've had today, then windy, wet Friday, Natasha. Gosh, it's been windy.
Yes, here we are, the middle of November, and it kind of feels like we're somewhere in September, the way the weather has been. It's been nice to have the sunshine, but we are paying the price, and that is those bitter cold temperatures in the morning. Wind chill factor, certainly an issue, especially if you have to work outside. Tomorrow will be the windiest day for us for this entire week. So let's get into it right now. Here's our live view from a Riverview bank camera as we are pointed out towards PDX and Mount Hood. Of course, now that the sun has gone down, a bit hard to see Mount Hood in the distance, but if you squint, you might be able to see it right here at the corner of your screen. Okay, we will be dealing with the gustiest winds right here in this location. So basically, from PDX out towards the east into the Gorge, as soon as you hit Multnomah Falls, Bridal Veil, Corbett, and of course Crown Point, those will be the windiest places for you tomorrow. 41 right now, Vancouver. Wind is out of the southeast at 7. Temperatures overnight for Vancouver and Portland will both be in the upper 30s as we approach tomorrow morning. Some locations getting colder than others. We'll get to that in just a second. Windiest day of the week. Yep, that's tomorrow. So a couple things to note. High wind warning and a wind advisory. So the wind advisory for the greater Portland and Vancouver metro areas highlighted in this light yellow color. So here, easterly wind gusts could reach anywhere from 30 to 50 miles per hour. But what about for the west side of the Gorge? As I was talking about those windy spots, gusts anywhere from 60 to 70 miles per hour. Places like Crown Point, of course, that stick out right there in the Gorge. Gusts upwards of 90 to 100 miles per hour possible. This is going to be in effect until Friday morning. Looking at that wind advisory, also in effect until Friday morning, but the strongest wind gusts will be during the day tomorrow. Outside of the windy area, if you're lacking the wind, you're dealing with a different kind of advisory. That's the air stagnation advisory. No wind necessarily to mix things up. So as a result, any pollutants out there will be sinking to the surface. Areas above 2,500 feet, you're out of it and you'll be in the clear. So we have high pressure, of course, to the east side of the Cascades, and we have a low pressure to the west side of the Cascades. And where does air like to go? From high to low. What's the #1 biggest gap for the Cascades between the east side and the west side? That's the Columbia River Gorge, which is why it's going to be the windiest spot for us. Current wind gusts for Troutdale up to 36 miles per hour. As we take a look, of course, those areas highlighted in purple indicating wind gusts up to 40 to 50. What about the forecast for wind chill tomorrow morning in Portland? It's going to feel more like it's 30 degrees, even though the forecast temperature is actually 38. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 40s. And windiest time period again from the morning hours to midday to the afternoon. By the time we get to 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, still windy out there with a temperature of 45. Looking at those wind gust speeds, everywhere from Portland down to Vancouver, Hillsborough. Again, you're all looking at about 20 to 30 to almost 40 miles per hour. That right there for you, Troutdale. Salem not as affected. Salem, you're going to be in that air stagnation advisory. Notice you've got a northerly wind, but only up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So endless dry spell? No, it does end. Here's our big ridge of high pressure. Look at that. It breaks down, flattens out by the time we get to Monday. Here comes our next system. That means more rain, slightly cooler temperatures. We get to Thursday, another chance for rain during your busiest travel week ahead. So looking into the future here, we get to Monday. There's our first chance to see some of that rain. That also means mountain snow and snow also for eastern Oregon and central Oregon. 7-day forecast looks like this. Strongest gusts tomorrow, a high tomorrow of about 50 degrees. Still windy for us on Friday. And in fact, that wind advisory does continue until Friday morning. Saturday and Sunday looking pretty good. Clouds start to increase, though, by the time we hit Sunday with a high of 49.
Yeah, interesting, Natasha, says we head into Thanksgiving. It looks like rain and then snow up in the mountains, huh?
Yeah, looking forward to that snow in the mountains. That's where we want to keep it, and we need more of it to get those resorts open up just in time for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, all right. Thanks, Natasha.
Coming up.